Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice vinegar. Crafting your own rice vinegar at home is a rewarding experience, providing a mild and subtly sweet flavor perfect for many culinary uses. The process involves a fascinating two-step fermentation, transforming rice starch into sugar, and then that sugar into acetic acid. You'll find the ingredients are quite simple, mainly cooked rice, water, and a starter. Remember, patience is a virtue here, as the fermentation journey can span from a few weeks to several months. To begin your rice vinegar journey, you'll need a few essential supplies. First, gather 2 cups of cooked white rice, about 500 grams and 34 fluid ounces or 1 liter of filtered water. For your starter, you'll need 1 to 2 fluid ounces of rice wine or a mother of vinegar. Crucially, sterilize a large glass container, ideally 1 liter or more, by boiling it for 10 minutes. This prevents any unwanted bacteria from interfering with your fermentation. Finally, have a clean cloth and a rubber band ready for covering. Now, let's dive into the fermentation process. First, combine your cooled cooked rice, the filtered water, and your rice wine or mother of vinegar starter in the sterilized glass container. Stir everything well to ensure it's thoroughly mixed. Next, cover the container with a clean cloth or paper towel, securing it tightly with a rubber band. This allows for crucial airflow while keeping contaminants out. Place your mixture in a dark, cool spot, such as a pantry or basement. The fermentation can take anywhere from 3 weeks to 6 months, so check it periodically for that distinct vinegar aroma and taste. After your rice vinegar has achieved its desired flavor, it's time for the final steps. Strain the fermented liquid through a clean cheesecloth into a freshly sterilized, airtight bottle. This removes any remaining rice solids. For better clarity, chill the vinegar in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. It will become clearer as it cools. Store your finished rice vinegar in a cool, dark place, like a pantry, or in the refrigerator for optimal preservation. When stored correctly, your homemade rice vinegar can retain its quality for many months, even years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.